mong gagawin, i-erase mo lang gagawin mo, sabit-sabit.
Good morning everyone. And I'd like you to meet Team Tapat.
Actually, naman po dyan is, I'm sorry, si Griselda Tagle. Happy birthday to Sean. So, dahil isa si Sean. Lord, so happy birthday. Sino dito yun? Happy birthday.
So, sa Global City, kung papasin niyo po, ang dami natin activities. CPD webinar, sponsorship video, partnership with developers. So, itutuloy na po natin. So, a coach's greatest gift is a group of guys that want to be coached, that want to believe, but also empower themselves. We have the environment where learning and coaching is important, and getting better and developing is important.
Okay? So my numerator, di ba? But since I only have less than 1 hour, I'll just share with you a big picture on strategic management. Because if you have specialization, then they will talk to the expert.
Discover the science of second chances. So feel younger, stay stronger.